Welcome back. After completion of a method for constructing the Bayesian network, coming to the next topic, compactness and node ordering. Right? So the Bayesian network is locally structured system. Locally structured means inside some components are there, those components are communicated. Okay? So inside the local system some components are there. Each subcomponents interacts directly with bounded number of other components. That means this is one node, this is another node, this is third node, this is the fourth node. This is communicated with the second one. This is communicated with the third one. It is not necessary to communicate with the third one. These two are communicated. These two are communicated. But there is no communication between these two. But that means in the locally structured system, subcomponents are interacts directly with bounded number of other components, not total number of other components. Right? And also order. We need to give the correct order for nodes. Okay. Before going to adding the nodes in the Bayesian network, we need to add root cause for the first step. So we need to add root cause first and then add the nodes. Okay. Coming to the diagrams. First, coming to the right side of the diagram. So here, so many connections established between the nodes. So this may be clumsy for understanding. See here, if burglary arise, Mary will call. If burglary arise, alarm sounded. So there is no connection between alarm and Mary, direct connection. Okay, so that's why this is not proper communication. This is not proper, right? These are very clumsy understanding. Now coming to the left side, observe this diagram compared to this. Here earthquake is the in the middle, but here alarm is in the middle state. Based on this alarm, John will call, Mary will call. Okay, when the alarm is sounded, based on the burglary, based on the earthquake. Okay, if the earthquake is occur, alarm will sounded. If the burglary will occur, alarm will sounded. If the earthquake will occur, automatically the burglary will also activated because uh, the system will damage. That's why the burglary will also activated. So based on this, the alarm will sounded. If the Mary calls, so if the Mary calls, it is not only the problem. Uh, Sorry, if alarm sounded, Mary will call. If Mary will call, alarm not going to off. So automatically what will happen? John will also call to the person. Okay, right? In our story, so if Mary calls, John will call. That is the given. But you can change these two. John call, you can add here, and Mary call will add here. Okay, so this is very easy understanding. Okay, simply you can say that if earthquake occur, burglary activated. If earthquake occur, alarm activated. If burglary activated, alarm activated. If alarm activated, Mary calls. If alarm activated, John calls. If John calls, sorry, if Mary calls, John calls. Okay. Right. So these are the compactness and ordering concept. Okay. Next, coming to the last topic. So I am discussing this topic: conditional independence relations in Bayesian networks. Okay. So here a node, one node, consider one node, is conditionally independent of its non-children. Okay. Example, see here. John calls is independent of burglary. Coming to the diagram, John calls is independent of burglary because this is not children. Okay. Alarm is child node of John calls. Burglary is child node of alarm, but John call is independent of burglary. So that is one point. Next, coming to the second one, see the example. Burglary is independent of John calls. Burglary is independent of John calls and Mary calls, given alarm and earthquake. Right? So, burglary is independent of John calls and Mary calls. Okay, given alarm and earthquake. Okay, these are the evidences: alarm and earthquakes. Okay, so finally, for better understanding, see this. Consider X is a node. Okay, this is the child node of this. This is the child node of U1 and this is the child node of UM. Okay, this X has two childs, Y1 and Yn. Okay, this X is independent. Okay, see here U1 and UM are independent to the child nodes Y1 and Yn. These are independent. So U1, Y1 are not dependent, UM, Yn are not dependent. So these two nodes are independent of these two nodes. That is the first one we discussed. Coming to the second one, here same, X is the node. Okay, U1 is the parent node of X, UM is the parent node of X. Now Y1 is the child node of X, Yn is the child node of X. These child nodes are depend on the parent nodes. Okay, that's why all these are mentioned in a gray color code. Here only this is the connection because these two are independent. Here these are independent, that's why we are mentioning like this. Okay, right? So finally in this topic, probabilistic reasoning, so we discussed Bayesian network, what is the need, what is the definition and specification, examples. In the semantics of Bayesian networks, so what we have discussed, representing the full join distribution. In the representing the full join distribution, method of constructing Bayesian networks, compactness and node ordering, and finally we discuss the conditional independence. Okay, thank you.